In this video, I will be comparing the dropshipping tools dropshipping.io versus Zendrop to help you decide which one is better for your business. Dropshipping.io is a simple yet powerful tool designed mainly to help you discover winning products. Its key features include insights into competitors' revenue, sales, product, and apps, ability to get inspiration from trending products, tools to find similar winning products for your own store. If your primary focus is finding winning products to sell, dropshipping.io is a strong option. On the other hand, Zendrop offers a more comprehensive dropshipping platform with a wider range of services. There are some key features of it, like winning product discovery, US-based product for faster shipping, automated order fulfillment, and custom branding options. Zendrop is designed not just for finding products, but for managing the entire dropshipping process from start to finish. The dropshipping.io basic plan starts from $39 per month, where standard plan starts from $59 per month, premium from $99 per month. On the other hand, Zendrop free plan provides access to over 1 million products, and its plus plan starts from $79 per month, which is most popular one. It also has Pro plan, which starts from $49 per month. In conclusion, if you are mainly looking for a tool to research the market and find winning products, dropshipping.io is a great choice. But if you need a complete solution for product sourcing, fast shipping, automated fulfillment, and branding, Zendrop is better choice. So that's it for the comparison today. If this comparison helps, like, share, and subscribe.